Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing a cheeky little nail tutorial. I've seen nails like these kind of all over Instagram and I felt like doing some and I thought I would make a nail video. Do you guys want to see more nail videos? I could do them as like a Wednesday special or something on my channel. Is that something you guys are interested in? Let me know down below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this like nude abstract nail art. I'm just going to be showing you how I do it on my thumb. So first I start with like nail prep, which is going to be like shaping it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a little chip in the top of my nail because my polish came off the tip of it, and so then the tip started chipping. I'm just going to take a nail file. I have the Believe Beauty one. It is the 180 grit. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to file my nail into a more round shape. Only going one direction. I'm trying to get better at doing my nails, so I'm only going to go one direction with it. I'm like slowly working my way around the top and just rounding out the tip of my nail. I'm definitely not a professional in doing my nails, but I'm trying to get better at doing my nails at home. I really enjoy doing my nails. Then with a 240 grit nail file, I'm just going to go back over that a little bit and soften it. This is a finer grit. Alright, so once you've filed your nail and you got the shape that you want, I've been going for sort of in between like a round and almond. So it's like a rounded almond shape. I don't know. Once I've done that, then I like to take this. This is Cuticle Remover. It's the Blue Cross something. I will have all the products that I've used linked down below. Most of them are from Amazon, and the Believe Beauty you can find at Dollar General. So I just put a nice like thick layer of this. So you just let it soak in a little bit. And I really need to get like an actual nail kit. Like if I'm gonna really start taking my nail care seriously, I need to get a real nail kit. So if you guys have any nail kit recommendations, let me know. I've also been looking into getting like a glass nail file because I hear those are a lot better for your nails. So that's what I'm currently looking into. And just look at how much better and cleaner that looks. It looks so much better. I'm not really sure about the next few steps of the order I'm doing them. I feel like this is the best order, but I don't know. So I'm going to take this nail prep. It's a nail dehydrator because gels adhere better to like dehydrated nails. So I'm going to dehydrate my nails. And I don't know if you guys have noticed how nice and like long my nails are getting. I'm so happy. They were like little nubs not too long ago. And that's because I've been taking this Nail Aid Keratin. This is so great. I guess I haven't been taking it. I've been using it. It is amazing. It says keratin 3-day growth and it really means it. I mean, just a couple weeks ago my nails were little nubs and now they are nice and long and strong again, and this has helped me so much. So I'm going to take one coat of this and I'm going to let it dry down completely. And it says to use 2 coats every 3 days. Now, since I put nail polish over it, I don't usually reapply it. I only reapply it before I do my nails again. But if my nail polish were to come off on one nail, then I would immediately put the keratin on it, and as long as it doesn't have polish, I would reapply it every 3 days like it says. Okay, and once both of those are dry and my nail's nice and sturdy and hardened, then I take my Beatles gel polish base coat, which mine looks very dirty. Don't worry about it. And just go ahead and apply that and then cure for 60 seconds. Then once you have your base coat, you're going to need a nude nail polish. I literally bought the Beatles gel polish nude neutral brown polish set in hopes of finding my perfect nude shade, and I feel like this is pretty good. I mean, honestly, it's a pretty good match. So yeah, I have mine in the shade 365. So that is one layer, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Alright, so then I'm going to apply a second coat to get the opaqueness that I want. My bad. And that is my second coat, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So since the trend seems to be matte nails, I'm going to go ahead and take the Beetles Gel Polish Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to go over this with that. I will say this won't look matte until it's actually cured. So for me, it can be a little bit hard to like see all the areas that I've gotten. I just try to be like extra careful and make sure I've gotten the whole nail, and then cure that for 60 seconds. Alright, so next is the white detail. I'm going to take the Beetles Gel Polish in the shade 894, which is the white. They sell it in the black and white duo. And I am also going to take this Beetles Gel Polish brush, which they sell in a set of a bunch of different sizes. For this thumbnail, I did 2 lines, so that's what I'm going to do on this one. So I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I do not have very steady hands. One line, and I'm going to do one across the top as well. But I feel like that's like the best part about this sort of nail look, is that if you don't have a steady hand, that's okay, because that's like kind of part of it, you know? And then I'm going to cure that. Alright, so since gel polish really needs to have like a top coat, I was at first not going to put a top coat over it because I don't want the white lines to be matte, but then I realized I could just take a tiny brush and take some top coat and put it just over the white lines. So on a tinier Beetles brush, which I believe came with the mermaid set, I'm going to take some top coat, and then I'm going to cure that, and that'll be it. And that's it. That's how I did my nails. And I like that each one of them is just a little bit different because that's just the style. I really like this nail look. What do you guys think? Would you wear this like abstract line nail art? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see some more nail videos, maybe, you know, every once in a while we could have a little Wednesday nail video. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys!